Good day, children. Sai Ram. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Today we are here for EVS part 2. Do you remember, children, what we have done in part 1? Yes, we have done new words in our part 1. So, are you thorough with the new words? Have you written 3 times and learned well? Very good. If not, do it. Okay, children? So today I'm going to go with the part 2 and we are going to see a new lesson. But what is that lesson all about? Let's see what is that all about. First you have to answer my few questions. First question is, why do you carry tiffin box to school? Come on, who will tell me why do we carry tiffin box to school? To be, if we eat, we'll be healthy and strong, right? So we have to carry tiffin box and we have to eat in regular intervals, right? So our body needs food to grow healthy and strong, right, children? Next, my next question is, what would happen if we do not eat food the whole day? Oh my god, what will happen, children, if we don't eat food for whole day? Who will tell me this answer? We will fall sick, right? We will not feel well. We will become weak. Yes? And tell me, why do we eat food? Is it necessary to eat food? Yes. Then why it is necessary to eat food? Because food gives us energy to study and play, right? If you don't eat food, you will not get energy. If you don't get energy, how will you study? How will your brain work? How will you play? So it is very necessary to eat healthy food in regular intervals, right, children? And to grow healthy and strong. So today I am going to teach you lesson number 6, food we eat. Okay, it's all about what we should eat. Yes? Okay, we eat different kind of food such as milk, fruits, vegetables, pulses, grains and nuts. Can you see in this picture that the different type of pulses, grains and everything? Yes, sometimes mama tells that I am making moong dal, sometimes tur dal, sometimes she is using chana dal in the meals. So this all the dals are called pulses. All these dals are called pulses. Remember, okay? Dals are called pulses. So and some people eat egg. Some people eat meat, some people eat fish, some people eat chicken. So, those who eat this food, they are called non-vegetarians. What are they called? They are called non-vegetarians. I will repeat again, listen carefully. Some people eat egg, meat, fish, chicken. They are called non-vegetarians. But there are many people who don't eat fish, egg, meat, chicken. There are also a few people who do not eat this. What are they called? They are called vegetarians. Okay, if I am not eating egg, meat, fish and chicken, then I am vegetarian. Okay, now have you ever wondered where we get our food from? Have you ever wondered, children? No? Okay, then I'm going to tell you. We get food such as fruits, vegetables, pulses, grains, nuts and plants. We get all this food from plants. We get all this food, fruits, vegetable, pulses, grains and nuts from plants. Okay? And there are few things which we get from animals like milk product, egg, fish, chicken, meat. All these foods we get from animals. Like milk is given by cow and buffalo, right? So Plants and animals are two sources from where we get food to eat. Yes, children. Now you will tell me, teacher, what is milk product? So now I am going to tell you about milk products. We eat many foods. We get many foods from milk. You know what they are? They are, from milk we get butter. We can make butter from milk. We can also make paneer. Wow. We can also make ghee from milk. We can make curd. We can make cheese. So this all things are made from milk, and so all these things are called milk products. The things which are made from milk are called milk products. Understood, children? Clear what is milk products? Very good. Now, we also need water to live. When you are very thirsty, what will we do? We will go and we'll run and we'll drink water. Yes. So water is also very important. You should drink more water. Okay. At least 6 to 8 glasses in a day. You can drink more glasses also. That is very good. But at least minimum 6 to 8 glasses of water every day you should drink. This big size of glass. Okay. Those who are not drinking enough water, start drinking now. Keep one bottle near to you where you can drink again and again. Okay. Now tell me, how many times do you eat in a day? 1 time, 2 time or 10 times? How many times we eat in a day? We usually eat 3 meals in a day. Okay, we usually eat 3 meals in a day. Morning, when we eat like poha, upma, chapati, we can have sandwich or bread, butter, whatever. What we eat in the morning as soon as we wake up from the bed, that is called breakfast. Okay, morning when we get up from the bed and we eat the meal, that meal is called breakfast. Afterwards, afternoon, in the afternoon when you are coming to school, before coming to school or in the school, the tiffin what you bring of bhaji, chapati, dal, rice, that is called lunch. Okay, the second meal of the day in the afternoon is called lunch. Now, third meal, that is at night, before going to bed, before going to sleep, after your mummy daddy comes from office. The last meal of the day is called dinner. Dinner is done at night. So there are 3 important meals in a day which you should not skip. You should have it, and you should have it a healthy food. Morning breakfast, afternoon lunch and night dinner. Am I clear, children? Yes, 3 meals in a day you should never skip. You should eat more these 3 meals. In the middle also you can have milk, or you can have whatever mama is giving you in the middle. But these 3 meals you should have daily, regularly. Okay? Good. Now, did you know, what is this? Something amazing. Did you know that some food are not good for health? Do you know this? Yes, some food are not good for health. They are known as junk food. What is junk food? Can you give me some examples of junk food? Chips, right? Burger, noodles, pizzas, and much more. There are so many type of junk food. Okay, you should try to avoid junk food as much as you can. Okay, it is not good for your stomach, it is not good for your body, it is not good for your health. The Lay's packet, the Peppy packet, that cold drinks is worst. You should never drink cold drinks, you know. It is not good for children. Small children should not drink cold drinks. You should not eat junk food, the packet food. Yes, there are so many things which you like and we can make at home, and we can eat homemade food always. That will make you strong. Okay, children? So avoid packet food, chips, chocolates, avoid as much as you can. Okay? Very good. Now, let's recall. We are going to quickly recall what we have done today. So, very first point, food makes us healthy and strong. Right or wrong? Food makes us healthy and strong. Yes? Very good. Non-vegetarians are those who eat egg, meat, fish and chicken. Right? Those who eat egg, meat, fish, chicken, they are called non-vegetarians. And those who do not eat egg, fish, meat and chicken, they are called vegetarians. We need to drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. Okay. Now, this is an activity. This is a very nice activity. I'm sure you are going to enjoy, and it is very, very easy. Okay. Now, mother is buying fruits and vegetables. You have to help her to sort fruits and vegetables. If there is a picture of fruit, you will write here fruit. If there is picture of vegetable, you will write here vegetable. You don't have to write full sentence, okay? You just have to write F for fruit and V for vegetables. So first picture is mango. Mango is a fruit or vegetable. Second is carrot. Third is potato. And fourth picture is banana. Now mango. This is mangoes. Okay. So mango is fruit. So I'm going to write F. Carrot. So I'm going to write V. Carrot is vegetable. Potato. Potato is fruit or vegetable? Vegetable. Banana. Banana is fruit or a vegetable? Fruit. So I'm going to write F. Am I clear, children? Nice. Now I'm going to show you one more slide, and that you are going to do by yourself. Okay, so what is next? Pear, green peas, capsicum and grapes. Oh wow. So now what am I going to do is pear. This is pear. So this pear is a vegetable or a fruit? Fruit. Very good. This is green peas. Sorry, yeah, this is green peas. So this is vegetable. What is this? Capsicum is a fruit, right? No, capsicum is a vegetable. So I'm going to write vegetable. And what is our next picture? Next picture is grapes. Grapes is vegetable, na? No? Grapes is fruit? Yes, grapes is fruits. So nice, right? So even you can do something like this at home. There are so many pictures you can see around of fruits and vegetables, or in the book. You have to tell which are fruit and which are vegetables. You have to name them. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and you understood that how healthy food is important for us. Taking healthy food, taking good meals is very important for your health and for your body. Right, children? You should avoid having junk food. You are not going to eat junk food. You will try not to eat as much as you can, okay? So you are not going to have chips. You are not going to have many chocolates. You are not going to have so many cream biscuits. No. Once in a while is okay. You can have it once in a while. Once a week or once in a 10 days. Okay, children? Yes? Okay, then see you in the next session. Thank you. Sai Ram.